over the past 5 years of college, I've spent my time competing in badminton, racing go-karts, ranking in the top 1% of racers at my local racetrack, solving problems at hackathons, acting in street plays that promote public causes, and debating people in closed rooms about the political and economic state of the world. But if there's a common pattern across all of that, is that I like to keep myself in situations that are fast, competitive, and slightly uncomfortable. Whether it's about delivering a hackathon MVP in intense time pressure, or keeping my team morale high when we're down in a game, or walking into a room that is full of people who know more than me, that is where I do my best. I like to solve problems that aren't clearly defined, often teaming up with other people and usually under some time pressure. During my data science internship at Eton, my task was to make AI more explainable for mission critical systems. The challenge was not only to build the models, but also effectively communicate what the model is actually learning. At hackathons, the same idea showed up a bit differently. At Hack Ireland, my team built a web app that allows you to find the cheapest fuel near you, and we ended up winning the hackathon. In another hackathon, we built a tool that flags early symptoms of Parkinson's disease by just using your phone. And this mindset, it goes beyond just technical work. Just last weekend, I volunteered at Give a Go's AI filmmaking hackathon where I shot interviews of participants and helped them with the overall media coverage. I've never shot interviews before, but I took ownership of the task and got the job done. But one thing that doesn't really shine through my CV is that I consume an unreasonable amount of information. History, politics, geography, science, film, sports, culture. A lot of my time goes into understanding things that essentially have nothing to do with my degree. But I've realized that's actually an advantage because the best ideas sit at the intersection of different worlds of information. And that is exactly why I'm drawn to apply for the Web Summit. The Web Summit to me is an environment which is built around fast moving ideas, ambitious people, and constant interaction across different domains, which is something that I gravitate towards naturally. I like being in environments where I'm not the smartest person in the room. I like being in situations where things are moving quickly, where there's pressure, and where I'm forced to adapt, think, and communicate in real time because that is where the interesting things happen. And to me, Web Summit feels just like that at scale. So applying at Web Summit wasn't really a question. It just made sense.